All right, so this is task 1 of lab 2. So this is the kind of a timer. So I'll let it go to at least 1 minute so you can see it jump. Okay, so 1 minute 1, and then I'll see this is with the button. So I can stop and start again, stop, start again. So that's pretty much it. So I'll upload task 2, I think. Yeah. So task 2 is the top controller. So I'll put a picture of this beautiful state machine. But basically, if we disregard all the details, there's the 4 states of the idle, the eating, then hot and cooling, and then in the middle I have the temp setting and the shutdown. So when you're from idle or cooling, you can set the temperature, and then it goes to eating, and then from eating or hot, you can go to shutdown, and then it goes back to cooling. And I made sure that if the temperatures, if you're in cooling and then you temp the setting, let's say that's lower, like you go back to cooling, and there's a arrow from cooling to hot also. So I think I just uploaded it. So that's temperature. So it's 20. A long button push. It's gonna select temperature. So now it's 40. You can go from 25 to 40. So let's put at 25 so it's shorter. So temperature, we see temperature increasing. We see it's eating currently because it's in the eating state. Let it go up slowly. Sorry. All right, now it's hot. It's hot, a hot tub, and then you can put the jets on or off. And now if we press for a long time, it goes to press button for cooling. So if I don't press, it should go back to, yeah, so it goes back to where it was, so the previous state. But now I'll do it for real. So press a long time and then press button for cooling, or press it and then it cools down. So it goes back to the initial state, but let's say I want to warm it up again. Then I can select it again also from here. Can go higher, whatever. And yeah, that's it. And it goes back up. So I think that'll be enough. If you want to test more, you can, for all the states, probably should be able to do it. Then for the next task, task 5, we uploaded it, but that was the elevator. I drew all the state machines for it, but I think I realized we only needed the actor or whatever the model is. So whatever, I drew thought we had to draw the state machines, but whatever, they're there. So I'll include the pictures in the report, but they're fairly straightforward. If you look at all the transition for all the states, it's pretty complex, but the kind of the implementation is just like a composition of all those states machine. So let's see. So now we're at current floor 0. I forgot how do we do this again? Oh yeah, I can select the floor with the potentiometer. So 0 to 4. The doors are closed. And it's at idle. So let's say I want to go to, I don't know, 2nd floor. Press on it, and it's going up. Let's say I also want to go to 4 after, and then back to 0. So see, it's opening. It's got to 2nd floor. Doors open. The LED's on. It's closing the doors. Doors are closed. And it's going back up again. You see current floor is 2. Now it's going to 3. And now I should go to 4. Doors open. It's arrived. Let's see, closing doors close, arrive, and it's going down now. So wait a little bit. For 1 and 0. All right, perfect.